Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
I see yun hong the testimony of Diane. Crystal clear na talagang of course, no doubt about that. Sinabi naman hong Dilima, may relationship who's 7 years of relationship. Can you believe that? A driver, bodyguard, and the smart lady named Lila De Lima, well, having an affair with a married man, and married since 1991. And as De Lima was saying, separated si Diane, and Diane says no. In fact, going on yung sinasabing relationship po nila. But let me set this aside kasi hindi naman ako kapareho ng mga congressman na they were more interested on the private life of De Lima. Para sa akin lang ho mga boss, ano? I find Ronnie Diane, if I may have to analyze and profile this guy, he seems to be like his subservient, masunurin, machunurin, individual. And sabi niya nga ho kanina, a little funny to say that the love affair of Lila De Lima and Diane, it's from intensity 5, nag-umpisa intensity 5, ganun kalakas, naging intensity 1 until such time he was junk. Pinalitan ho siya. And then, nakakatawa ho rito mga boss, was this guy Diane saying, uubusin mo ata kami. Ibig sabihin, lahat o ata ng mga security mo matipuno, talagang gagawin mong shota mo, gagawin mo kami. Ano ba to? Ito ba ay true love or tululaway o And so that's the street way of saying it. May tawag ho ng puson. What did I say? Tawag ng pag-ibig. At iba ho yung tawag ng puson. And then imagine for the last 7 years, this couple, they're living like a husband and wife in the same room sa Parañaque. And I can't understand this guy Diane saying, I'd been so obedient. Sinusunod ko lang pag inutos sa akin. Kukunin ko lang kung ganito. Hindi ko kilala yung mga personalities sa kulungan. Come on. Sabihin mo yan sa lelo mong panot. You can tell it to the Marines. And can you imagine nung nagalit siya, sinampal niya si Lila De Lima? And that's as far as the relationship can go. Now, ang ibig sabihin yan, I can't believe that you sleep in one room and you don't even give a hoot kung anong laman ng bag na yan. Don't tell me that you're so obedient. I mean, after all, may kantang sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Would travel the world in 7 seas. Some of you want to use you. Some of them want to be abused and be used. Hindi na natin malaman kung sino gagamit and gumagamit at magpapagamit at ginagamit at gumagamit at magpapagamit at gumagamit at magagamit at gamitan sila. I find there's a little, lie doon sa mga sinasabi ni Diane, maybe to protect Lila De Lima. Let me just go on like this because inamin naman ho ni Diane, mga boss, that may mga hiniling siya kay that time Secretary Lila De Lima. Alam niyo naman ho, the Bureau of Immigration under who in the Department of Justice. sa NBI, may mga kaanak ko siyang nilagay niya ron. So maybe that's one of the reasons kung bakit there's a little hesitation on the part of just, going on doon sa sinasabing, I don't know kung anong laman ng envelope niyan. I don't know. Sinasalat ko lang, kung ano, and then I have a feeling. So, hindi ho masyado matibay para sa akin. Iba ho talagang sinasabi, sinilip ko at talagang kinuha ko, naka-envelope nga to, pero tiningnan ko. Maybe totoo yung sinasabi niya. But ako ho kasi, kung ikay natutulog na, kasama ka na, parang asawa ka na, nandoon ka na pag sa gabi. Sa umaga, ikaw ay driver. Sa tanghali, ikaw ay taga-bit-bit. Sa gabi, tayo'y magkasipin. Siya hindi pala si Aning Batumbakal, Si Ronnie Dayan, taga Pangasinan. Sa umaga, sa gabi, siya'y kasipin. Sa tanghali, siya'y taga-bit-bit. Yan ang istorya ni Ronnie Dayan, hindi si Aning Batumbakal.